Take a turkey out to dine. You will think it very fine. But don't say a slip, please button up your lip. Keep it under your hat, that's elastic and fat. Don't say a word, that silly old word. Don't say a word about
Turkey dinner wrap.